Hi, my name is Jim Britt. I've written several books and created a number of programs on how to be a successful entrepreneur. I'm also a high school dropout who worked in a factory on an assembly line for $1.67 an hour. Then one day, somebody introduced me to the idea of becoming an entrepreneur. I took the leap, and now, 40 years later, I live in a beautiful home on several acres in the foothills of the Sierra Nevada mountains. I waken to the relaxing sound of wildlife right outside my door. And on a warm day, I might take time to hang with the family by the swimming pool. And when I need to travel, I always go first class. Other than my first year of learning how to think and act like an entrepreneur, I've never had a problem making money, and lots of it. A few years ago, when the economy started to tank, though, I watched people lose their jobs and businesses close their doors forever. And I wonder why more people didn't start thinking like an entrepreneur and take advantage of the thousands of opportunities that I and my colleagues see every day. Is it fear of something new, or I begin to wonder, am I somehow different? Maybe I got lucky and learned a mysterious secret that has made me rich, while that secret remained hidden from almost everybody else. So I set out to find other super successful entrepreneurs, self-made millionaires who started out with nothing, just like me. So I wanted to learn why some people succeed as entrepreneurs and 90% of the population never even try. What were their secrets to success? Do they have unique skills or talents that nobody else has? So I made a point of finding successful entrepreneurs in a variety of fields, like internet marketing, TV, real estate, traditional brick and mortar business, and social media. They varied in age from the 20s to the 60s. I talked to young internet gurus and people who have started and sold dozens of companies, each for millions of dollars. I was determined to see if there was anything special about us. What I discovered was both shocking and exciting. They are no different from you and me, except that they think in a certain way. What was most exciting was that I was able to boil their success down to 6 common traits. And I know now that anybody can learn these traits. And just by putting your mind to it, you can succeed as an entrepreneur. Now, I've extracted 2 brief clips from my interviews with these 12 people. One person started with a borrowed $13,000 and turned that into $3.5 billion. The other started with a $1,000 loan and turned that into a $5 billion real estate empire that won her a starring role on the hit TV show Shark Tank. So I hope you enjoy these 2 video clips.